Imagine opening a window and seeing not just the sky, but the entire universe in unprecedented detail. Back in 1990, humanity did exactly that by launching what would become our eyes into the cosmos, the Hubble Space Telescope. This remarkable achievement marked a pivotal moment in human history as we deployed a machine the size of a school bus that would forever transform our understanding of the universe. The story of the Hubble Space Telescope is nothing short of extraordinary. This single instrument has revolutionized our comprehension of the cosmos in ways that were once confined to the realm of science fiction. Before Hubble, our view of deep space was limited by Earth's atmosphere, which distorted and obscured the light from distant celestial objects. But this ingenious telescope, floating high above our planet's atmospheric interference, has unveiled galaxies never before seen by human eyes and revealed that the universe is vastly more expansive and mysterious than we ever imagined. As we delve into this fascinating journey, we'll explore not only the groundbreaking technology that makes the Hubble Space Telescope such a marvel of human engineering, but also the breathtaking discoveries it has given us. From capturing the birth of stars in vivid detail to observing the collision of distant galaxies, Hubble has served as humanity's tireless cosmic observer. The telescope continues to expand the horizons of human knowledge, pushing the boundaries of our understanding further into the cosmic depths with each passing day. This orbiting observatory has become more than just a scientific instrument. It has become a symbol of humanity's endless quest for knowledge and our unwavering desire to understand our place in the cosmos. Through its powerful lenses, we've witnessed the cosmic dance of celestial bodies, peered into stellar nurseries where new stars are born, and gazed across billions of light years to observe the early universe. Every image captured by Hubble tells a story of cosmic proportions, reminding us that we are part of an infinitely vast and endlessly fascinating universe that still holds countless mysteries waiting to be discovered. Throughout its decades of service, Hubble has not only helped scientists make groundbreaking discoveries, but has also captured the imagination of people worldwide, bringing the wonders of the cosmos into our everyday lives. Its stunning images have become cultural touchstones, inspiring generations of astronomers, scientists, and space enthusiasts to look up at the night sky with renewed wonder and curiosity. The conception of the Hubble Space Telescope stands as one of humanity's most ambitious scientific endeavors, born from a dream that seemed almost impossible at the time. In the realm of astronomical observation, scientists had long grappled with a fundamental challenge. Earth's atmosphere, while essential for life, proved to be a significant obstacle for astronomical observations. This protective blanket of air, along with increasing light pollution from our growing cities, distorted and obscured our view of the cosmos, limiting our ability to uncover the universe's deepest mysteries. The revolutionary idea that would become the Hubble Space Telescope emerged from this challenge, to place an observatory above Earth's atmosphere in the pristine vacuum of space. This concept represented a paradigm shift in astronomical observation. By positioning a telescope beyond our planet's atmospheric interference, scientists could capture crystal-clear images of celestial objects without the blurring, twinkling, and distortion that Earth-bound telescopes had to contend with. The potential for groundbreaking discoveries was enormous, promising to reveal details of distant galaxies, stars, and cosmic phenomena that had never been seen before. The decision to name this ambitious project after Edwin Hubble was deeply meaningful and appropriate. Edwin Hubble was a pioneering astronomer whose work fundamentally transformed our understanding of the universe. His groundbreaking discovery that the universe is expanding, made in the 1920s, shattered the prevailing view of a static cosmos and laid the foundation for modern cosmology. This discovery, achieved through meticulous observation and analysis, demonstrated that galaxies are moving away from each other, suggesting that the universe had a beginning and continues to evolve. The implications of this finding were profound, leading to the development of the Big Bang theory and revolutionizing our conception of space, time, and the nature of the universe itself. The telescope that would bear his name was designed to continue this legacy of transformative discovery. Its conception involved unprecedented technological challenges, requiring innovations in optics, materials science, and space engineering. The scientists and engineers behind the project envisioned a telescope that would not only honor Hubble's revolutionary work, but would also push the boundaries of human knowledge even further, peering deeper into space and time than ever before possible. This remarkable instrument would need to be massive, the size of a school bus, yet precise enough to maintain stability while orbiting Earth at tremendous speeds. Its mirror system would have to be ground and polished to unprecedented levels of accuracy, capable of capturing the faintest light from the most distant corners of the observable universe. The entire system would need to operate flawlessly in the harsh environment of space, where repair and maintenance would present extraordinary challenges. The conception of the Hubble Space Telescope represented more than just a technical achievement. It embodied humanity's eternal quest to understand our place in the cosmos. It was a testament to human ingenuity, ambition, and our unwavering desire to explore the unknown. This visionary project would go on to become one of the most successful and influential scientific instruments ever created, fundamentally changing our understanding of the universe and inspiring generations of scientists and explorers to push the boundaries of what is possible. On April 24, 1990, the Space Shuttle Discovery soared into the clear Florida sky, carrying humanity's greatest eye on the universe, the Hubble Space Telescope. The launch itself was a spectacular success, marking the culmination of decades of planning, engineering, and astronomical ambition. Scientists, engineers, and space enthusiasts around the world watched with bated breath as the telescope, representing an investment of $1.5 billion and countless hours of human ingenuity, was carefully deployed into its orbital home, 340 miles above Earth's surface. The initial euphoria of the successful launch, however, would soon give way to a crushing disappointment that sent shockwaves through the scientific community. As the first images began arriving from Hubble, it became painfully clear that something was terribly wrong. Instead of the crystal-clear views of distant galaxies and stars that had been promised, the images were blurry and far below the expected quality. The telescope, that was meant to revolutionize our view of the cosmos, seemed to be producing images barely better than those from ground-based observatories. Dr. Robert Williams, former director of the Space Telescope Science Institute, would later describe this initial problem as devastating. The source of the problem was eventually traced to a critical flaw in Hubble's primary mirror, an error in its curvature that was almost impossibly small, yet catastrophically significant. The mirror, which had been ground to what was thought to be incredible precision, was off by just 1/50th the width of a human hair. This minute flaw, smaller than 2.2 microns, was enough to prevent the telescope from focusing properly, causing all of its images to suffer from spherical aberration. The revelation of this flaw sent NASA into crisis mode. The agency faced intense scrutiny and criticism from the media, Congress, and the public. Late-night comedians dubbed the telescope the Hubble Trouble, and it became a symbol of government waste and technological failure. The situation was particularly painful because the error could have been detected before launch through additional testing. But budget constraints and schedule pressures had led to shortcuts in the quality control process. The mirror's flaw was traced back to a measuring device called a null corrector, used during the mirror's manufacturing at Perkin-Elmer Corporation. This device, crucial for shaping the mirror to its precise specifications, had been incorrectly assembled. Even more frustrating was the discovery that engineers had noticed signs of a problem during testing but had dismissed them, trusting the null corrector's measurements over other indicators that suggested something was amiss. For the scientific community, the implications were severe. Crucial observational programs had to be postponed or modified. Young astronomers who had built their research plans around Hubble data were forced to revise their projects. The telescope could still perform some useful science, but it was operating far below its designed capabilities, unable to achieve many of its primary mission objectives. The situation represented one of the most dramatic crises in NASA's history since the Challenger disaster. Yet, even in these dark, early days, teams of engineers and scientists were already beginning to formulate plans for what would become one of the most ambitious repair missions ever attempted in space. The story of Hubble was about to become not just a tale of technical failure, but one of human ingenuity, determination, and ultimate triumph over seemingly impossible odds. The initial drama of the Hubble Space Telescope serves as a powerful reminder of both the complexity of space exploration and the importance of meticulous attention to detail in scientific endeavors. It also demonstrates how even the most carefully planned projects can encounter unexpected challenges, and how these challenges often serve as catalysts for even greater achievements to come. If you are as fascinated as I am with this story of overcoming and discovery, be sure to like and subscribe to the channel. This helps us a lot to continue exploring these incredible stories from the universe. The story of Hubble's transformation from a troubled space telescope to one of humanity's greatest scientific achievements began in December 1993, when Space Shuttle Endeavour lifted off on one of NASA's most ambitious and high-stakes missions ever attempted. The mission, designated STS-61, would become known as the first Hubble Space Telescope servicing mission, and it would prove to be a masterclass in human ingenuity and determination. The repair mission was unprecedented in its complexity and scope. 7 astronauts aboard Endeavour would attempt to perform what many likened to performing brain surgery in space while wearing boxing gloves. The mission required 5 intense spacewalks, pushing the limits of human capability in the harsh environment of space. The primary goal was to install CoStar, a complex system of mirrors designed to correct the spherical aberration in Hubble's main mirror. The astronauts worked with extraordinary precision in the unforgiving vacuum of space. Each spacewalk lasted several hours, with astronauts meticulously replacing and installing new equipment while orbiting Earth at 17,500 miles per hour. The installation of CoStar was particularly delicate, as it needed to be perfectly aligned to correct the telescope's vision. This sophisticated system of corrective mirrors would act like a pair of glasses for the myopic telescope, compensating for the flaw in its primary mirror. The success of the mission became apparent when Hubble took its first new images in January 1994. The transformation was nothing short of miraculous. Where before there had been blurry, unfocused images, now there were crystal-clear views of the cosmos. The telescope could finally fulfill its promise of revolutionizing our understanding of the universe. With its newly corrected vision, Hubble began capturing images that would not only advance our scientific knowledge, but also captivate the world's imagination. One of its most iconic photographs came in 1995 with the capture of the Pillars of Creation in the Eagle Nebula. These towering columns of gas and dust, where new stars are born, became one of the most recognizable and awe-inspiring space images ever taken. The photograph revealed the intricate structures of these stellar nurseries in unprecedented detail, showing how new stars form and evolve. Perhaps even more revolutionary was the Hubble Deep Field image, captured in 1995. When astronomers pointed Hubble at what appeared to be an empty patch of sky for 10 consecutive days, they revealed something extraordinary. Not emptiness, but thousands of galaxies, each containing billions of stars, stretching back almost to the beginning of time itself. This single image fundamentally changed our understanding of the universe's scale and structure, revealing that even the apparently emptiest part of the sky was teeming with galaxies. The telescope's capabilities also proved instrumental in other groundbreaking discoveries. It helped confirm the existence of supermassive black holes at the centers of galaxies, including our own Milky Way. These cosmic giants, millions or billions of times more massive than our Sun, had been theoretical objects until Hubble provided observational evidence of their existence through the measurement of stellar motions and gas dynamics around galactic centers. In the field of exoplanet research, Hubble made history by becoming the first telescope to detect the atmosphere of a planet orbiting another star. This breakthrough opened up an entirely new field of study, allowing scientists to begin analyzing the chemical composition of distant worlds and search for potential signs of habitability. The success of the repair mission and subsequent discoveries transformed Hubble from a national embarrassment into one of humanity's greatest scientific achievements. The telescope became a symbol of human perseverance and ingenuity, proving that even the most daunting technical challenges could be overcome through determination, skill, and cooperation. The Great Correction of 1993 did more than just fix a flawed telescope. It ushered in a new era of astronomy and space exploration. Hubble's crystal-clear vision has since provided us with countless insights into the nature of our universe, from the birth and death of stars to the evolution of galaxies, and continues to make groundbreaking discoveries that expand our understanding of the cosmos. The Hubble Space Telescope's legacy represents one of humanity's greatest scientific achievements, fundamentally transforming our understanding of the cosmos during its more than 3 decades of operation. This extraordinary observatory has not only revolutionized our scientific knowledge, but has also changed how we, as a species, view our place in the vast cosmic arena. One of Hubble's most remarkable achievements was helping scientists determine the age of the universe with unprecedented precision. Through careful observations of distant stars and galaxies, astronomers were able to calculate that our universe is approximately 13.8 billion years old. This precise dating was achieved by measuring the expansion rate of the universe and studying the light from ancient stars, providing humanity with a clear timeline of cosmic evolution and helping us understand our universe's birth and development. The sheer scale of Hubble's scientific output is staggering. Having observed more than 1.5 million celestial objects, the telescope has created a vast catalogue of cosmic phenomena that will continue to serve astronomers for generations to come. From nearby planets in our solar system to the most distant galaxies ever observed, Hubble has methodically mapped and studied an impressive portion of the visible universe. Each observation has added to our understanding of cosmic processes, from star formation to galaxy evolution. The telescope's scientific impact is perhaps best measured by its contribution to academic research. With more than 19,000 peer-reviewed papers based on its observations, Hubble has become one of the most productive scientific instruments ever built. These papers have covered every aspect of astronomy, from planetary science to cosmology, and have been cited hundreds of thousands of times, influencing virtually every area of astronomical research. Beyond these quantifiable achievements, Hubble's legacy extends into realms that are harder to measure but equally important. As Dr. Jennifer Wiseman, senior astronomer of the project, eloquently stated, "Hubble hasn't just shown us the universe, it has shown us our place in it." This profound observation speaks to how the telescope has transformed our cosmic perspective. Through Hubble's eyes, we've witnessed the birth of stars in stellar nurseries, the death throes of ancient suns, the collision of galaxies, and the ethereal beauty of nebulae thousands of light-years away. The telescope has also played a crucial role in one of astronomy's most revolutionary discoveries: dark energy. Observations made by Hubble helped astronomers discover that the universe's expansion is accelerating, leading to the hypothesis of dark energy, a mysterious force that appears to pervade all of space and works against gravity. This discovery, which earned the 2011 Nobel Prize in Physics, completely changed our understanding of the universe's ultimate fate. Hubble's impact on public engagement with science cannot be overstated. Its stunning images have appeared on countless magazine covers, textbooks, and websites, making the abstract concepts of astronomy tangible and accessible to the general public. These images have inspired generations of young scientists and helped foster public support for space exploration and scientific research. The telescope has also contributed significantly to our understanding of planetary systems around other stars. Its observations have helped characterize exoplanet atmospheres and provided crucial data about planetary formation, bringing us closer to answering one of humanity's most profound questions: are we alone in the universe? In education, Hubble's legacy is equally impressive. The telescope's data and images have become essential teaching tools, helping students at all levels understand complex astronomical concepts. The Hubble Education and Public Outreach Program has reached millions of students and teachers worldwide, creating educational materials that make space science accessible and engaging. Perhaps most importantly, Hubble's success has paved the way for future space telescopes and astronomical missions. The lessons learned from its construction, launch, repair, and operation have informed the design and planning of newer observatories, including its successor, the James Webb Space Telescope. The technological advances developed for Hubble have found applications in numerous other fields, from medical imaging to computer technology. As we look to the future, Hubble's legacy continues to grow. Even after 3 decades, it continues to make groundbreaking discoveries and capture breathtaking images that expand our understanding of the cosmos. The telescope stands as a testament to human ingenuity, perseverance, and our unending quest to understand our place in the universe. It reminds us that when we dare to dream big and work together, we can achieve things that once seemed impossible. As we reflect on the remarkable journey of the Hubble Space Telescope, we find ourselves contemplating not just a scientific instrument, but a revolutionary tool that has fundamentally altered humanity's perspective of its place in the cosmos. For over 3 decades, Hubble has served as our unwavering eye on the universe, providing us with images and data that have not only advanced our scientific understanding, but have also profoundly impacted our philosophical outlook on existence itself. Every image captured by Hubble tells a story that extends far beyond its scientific significance. When we gaze at the swirling colors of a distant nebula, witness the birth of new stars, or observe the collision of ancient galaxies, we are not merely collecting data, we are watching chapters of our own cosmic origin story unfold before our eyes. These observations remind us that the elements in our bodies, the iron in our blood, and the calcium in our bones were forged in the hearts of dying stars billions of years ago. The telescope's ongoing mission continues to yield new discoveries that challenge and expand our understanding of the cosmos. Each observation adds another piece to the grand cosmic puzzle, revealing a universe that is more complex, more dynamic, and more interconnected than we ever imagined. From the smallest planetary bodies to the largest galaxy clusters, Hubble shows us a universe that is alive with activity, constantly evolving, and filled with phenomena that push the boundaries of human comprehension. Perhaps Hubble's greatest contribution lies not in any single discovery, but in how it has transformed our collective consciousness. Through its lens, we have gained a profound appreciation of our cosmic context. The Earth, when viewed against the backdrop of countless galaxies and the infinite expanse of space, appears both remarkably precious and humblingly small. This perspective has become increasingly crucial as we face global challenges that require us to think and act as a unified species rather than divided nations. The images and discoveries from Hubble have also bridged the gap between scientific knowledge and public understanding in unprecedented ways. Its stunning visuals have made the abstract concepts of astronomy tangible and accessible to people of all ages and backgrounds. When we see the pillars of creation or gaze into the ultra-deep field, we are not just looking at scientific data. We are connecting with our cosmic heritage in a deeply personal and emotional way. As we continue to receive new images and data from Hubble, each transmission serves as a reminder that we are part of an ongoing cosmic narrative. Our story is inextricably linked with the story of the universe itself, a tale that began some 13.8 billion years ago and continues to unfold with each passing moment. We are not mere observers of this cosmic drama. We are active participants, conscious beings, capable of understanding and appreciating the magnificent complexity of our universal home. Looking ahead, Hubble's legacy will continue to inspire future generations of scientists, explorers, and dreamers. The questions it has helped us answer have led to even more intriguing questions, ensuring that our journey of cosmic discovery will continue long into the future. As we push the boundaries of our knowledge further into space and time, we carry with us the profound lessons that Hubble has taught us about our place in the cosmos. In the end, the Hubble Space Telescope represents more than just a triumph of human engineering and scientific achievement. It stands as a testament to our species' innate curiosity, our relentless pursuit of knowledge, and our ability to transcend our earthly limitations to explore the greatest mysteries of existence. Through its eyes, we have learned not just about the universe, but about ourselves, reminding us that in our quest to understand the cosmos, we are also discovering what it truly means to be human. If you marveled at this journey through the universe as much as we did, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the Exploring the Universe channel. Together, we will continue exploring the deepest mysteries of the cosmos.